Well, today we are in the fields. We're about to do a nice preview of townhouses, single family homes, and you're really gonna love it and enjoy it. See you soon. Well, now we are in our tour of the one of our single houses in the fields right here in Lakewood. And let's see what is the new construction about. You can see the difference between the other one and this one. Of course, this is the model house, which everything is ready. It has the curtains and everything on place. But of course, this is not the way exactly your house is gonna come. Like, you really need to make sure what you're paying for, because every upgrade is gonna it's gonna mean that it's gonna be like an additional cost in your pocket. Here is our laundry room. This is a den, which I really love. You can use it as an office. And we're gonna go outside and take a look of the living room. Well, this is our living room, very open. We have slider doors. Right now they are open, so you can take a look of the patio, which has plenty of space, beautiful view. This is one of those premium spots where you have a nice view, so the prices may change, so keep in mind. We were previewing one of the townhouses at the fields right here in Lakewood and Turnpike. There's a lot of new construction in the area, a lot going on here. Don't miss it. Please keep tuned. Let's keep watching our videos. A lot of information, things that you want to know if you don't want to come and see it. If you're not ready to see it yet, but at least you can have an idea and take a view of what's going on in this area. Thanks for watching. This video was presented by Kata AZELA team. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.